All right, thanks, Johan. Appreciate it. Right now, TA is shining a light on all things Italian in Jupiter.
This is a good one. He's in Abacoa, the site of this year's Feast of Little Italy. We always love this festival, TA.
Yeah, this is a good festival. We're already in feast mode this morning here in Abacoa. Want to bring in one of the people that run the whole thing, Jerry.
Good morning.
Jerry, I love this event. You've been doing it for 24 years. What's new this year?
We got a lot of new stuff that's happening. We have an amazing painter that'll be painting all weekend. And when Dominique's done with the piece, it's going to go to auction for Little Smiles. We have street chalk painting that'll be here as well. We've got something that we're looking forward to. We want people to come and pin where their family history is from in Italy.
They pin it on this board that's over
Absolutely.
here. We can't show it right now because it's too dark, but thank you.
Thank you.
And then, Tony, there's music, right?
There's a lot of music, TA. Once again, I'll be back this year, Friday afternoon, 4:30 to 6 with my Sinatra Songbook tribute. And don't forget, come out Saturday night. We have a wonderful Frankie Valli tribute as well. Got a lot of entertainment.
Thank you very much. Dominique, what's it like painting in front of all the guests as they're coming through the festival? That has to be, like, stressful.
No, not at all, because I post a lot on Facebook and I do live, so I'm used to people coming into my studio and also seeing me paint live online.
Do they ever have comments that they think you don't hear, but you actually hear it?
Always.
Yeah. When I bartended, that happened too. Come on in, Chrissy. If you have something you want us to shine a light on, you can email me at shiningalight@WPTV.com. Now, back out here as we bring in Holly and Ashley. This is not at the festival. This is just for your own entertainment. Think of I Love Lucy and how they did the grape stomping. And so now we're going to do that, right? Yeah, let's go. So do we just jump in? All right.
Because we're in feast mode.
Oh, that's weird. It's like bubble wrap.
But I would not dare drink that.
No way.
Yeah.
When's the last time you had a pedicure, TA?
It takes me a while to get this
Making
visual out of
wine.
my head.
Breakfast wine.
Oh, so good. I can't wait for that to come to town this weekend. It's going to be a great time out there.
You guys enjoy. Thank you. 5:51 is the time here.